Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I start with my next zodiac sign, that is Taurus. Taurus 2022 January. So let's see what we have for Taurus. Taurus, January. Taurus is leaving the space. Anything negative and I bounce. That's what Taurus is saying. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, a lot of endings happening for Taurus too. Okay. I feel Taurus in the first week of January, you're going to gather all the strength you can. Okay. You are healing from some kind of health issue or past issue. Okay. First week, there is going to be a lot of recovery of the past energy. I feel it could be recovery of money, recovery of situation at work. Anything that you were going through, there is a recovery. Taurus has ended something in his life. Taurians have ended a relationship, a situation, or maybe a work situation which did not work for them. Okay, they are wanting to now move on. So you are recovering from anything that had gone negative in the past. Okay, second week you are waiting patiently for whatever work you have done, the money to come. So you have to wait and see which fruit to pluck. You have a tree, Taurus, okay, and from the tree there are many apples that are hanging. Which one should I take? That is exactly what you're doing in the second week, Taurus. So you're thinking, maybe a little stressing on what to choose, okay, but you will choose what your heart desires. Okay, the third week you are more with your family, more with the people that are connected to the same work, same things in your life. There is money coming in the third week, a lot of abundance coming in the third week. Okay, but you're also more into your home space in the third week. You're connecting maybe with your relatives, with your family, and so on. But money is definitely coming in the third week. And in the fourth week, it is going aggressively towards what you want. So the first week is recovery, Taurus. Recovery from everything that you have gone through. You will also gather your strength in the first week of Jan. And the second week, you are thinking, confused which one to take, which apple to pluck, or maybe waiting stressfully, a little more stressfully for something that you worked for and that results have not come. Third week, there is a lot of money, there is a lot of stability, there is a lot of family, relatives kind of a thing. Okay, you will also connect with people in high positions. That also is a possibility. Then that's a good networking thing for your work. And the fourth week, you are aggressively walking towards your work, which is a good thing. Which is a good thing, positive thing. You are maybe in action, totally in action. You're taking action towards whatever is fair in your life. Okay, so that is the work reading. Now let's see what's your relationship reading. I think it's a fairly good reading, Taurus, because when we are ending things in our life, we want to begin new. So it takes a little time to get up and gather and walk towards exactly towards what we've worked for. But it will happen. It will definitely happen. Let's see what we have in your relationship area. The cards are already falling off. Wow. I feel, Taurus, that something you've been looking for up till now in your relationship is going to happen. Yes. You've been keeping yourself isolated on purpose because you've been wanting to think. You've been not connecting with people a lot because you wanted to think. You've been blocking your heart chakra because you didn't want to open it right now. But now, slowly in the month of Jan, you're going to open your heart chakra. You're going to come out of your isolation. You're going to make a decision in the month of Jan. And that decision is going to take you towards a lot of success. You're going to make a choice. I don't see this card as being confused. I see this card as making a choice. You're going to make a choice in the month of Jan. You're going to come out of your darkest fears. You're going to choose where you want to stand. Okay. here you are going to succeed. So maybe the person you choose in your life will be a well deserved reward, maybe possibly that this person you wanted to be with, okay, always. And your lady luck or man luck, whatever you call it, is going to be very lucky for you, okay. So Taurus, basically it's a very good month for you to be in a relationship, okay. You are going to overcome all the darkest fears which you had up till now about a relationship. Maybe you didn't want to be committed, okay. There is going to be communication between you and that person you want to be with, or if you're already in relationship and it wasn't working well, now you will start communicating with each other, telling each other's problems. So then that will also help you repair it. So it's a very good month in finding a partner, in coming together with a partner, and it's a positive sign that you will be in a good relationship. This month will tell you that. January, right? So let's see what we have as a fairy message. Taurus, January. Hidden depths. Whoa. Something hidden is about to come in light, perhaps a secret or a memory or at the back of your mind. When we, expose what is hidden, we become free. So maybe something hidden could be a hidden feeling that will come out, or maybe something you will come to know about someone and that will take you to a positive light, or maybe something that you didn't know up till now, or maybe a secret wisdom might come to you which will really help you in your future. So these secrets could be just inside of you. So going inside of you is a good option in the month of Jan. Okay, so that's a good thing. Maybe some truth might be revealed to you. Never know, and that might change your entire life, right? So sometimes there's in a relationship and we don't know the truth of the relationship. Even after years, we don't come to know. And then after that, once it's revealed and everything is changed, right? So maybe that will happen to you, Taurus. Okay. And that's all for today. Please call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only. Please press the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe and call me and take an appointment and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye.